if you have found a perfect photo but it doesn't quite fit your screen, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to make any photo fit as your wallpaper on any Android device. Having a well-fitted wallpaper enhances your device's aesthetic and ensures important elements in your photo aren't cut off. So let's learn how to adjust any photo to fit perfectly. First, let's choose the photo you want to use as your wallpaper. Open your gallery app and find the photo you'd like to set as your wallpaper. Tap on the photo to open it. Next, we need to crop to fit your screen's dimensions. Tap on the edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or an edit symbol. Look for the cropping tool. This might be an icon that looks like a square with arrows. Select the aspect ratio that matches your device's screen, typically 16:9 for most Androids. Adjust the crop box to frame the part of the photo you want visible. Then tap Save. Now that your photo is cropped, set it as your wallpaper. From the edited photo, tap on the three-dot menu or the More option. Select Set as Wallpaper. You may be given options for home screen, lock screen, or both. Choose your preference. Some Android devices also allow additional adjustments for your wallpaper. After selecting, look for options like Scroll Wallpaper or Fit to Screen. Toggle these settings to see which looks best for your device. And that's it. You now know how to make any photo fit perfectly as your wallpaper on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.